Hi guys, today we'll explore installing Windows 11. The installation process of Windows 11 is quite simple. It's almost similar to Windows 10. However, you want to make sure that your hardware is compatible and it supports Windows 11. Even if you don't have a hardware that supports Windows 11, there are still workarounds. If you're interested to know more about it, please feel free to comment below. I'll make sure to create another video where it will guide you how to bypass the prerequisites to install Windows 11 on your system. To start with, I'll boot my machine with Windows 11 bootable. Hit enter. Choose the language I want and choose the input. I normally go with keyboard input as United States. That's what I'm used to. Because this is just a test, I don't have a product key. Install Windows 11 Pro. Next. I accept Microsoft software license terms. Next. Click on custom install. Next. And installation begins right away. Alright, now it will ask me for my region. I choose United States. Yes. Keyboard layout. Go to United States International. Or I can choose US. Click yes. Do you want a second keyboard layout? Skip that. Device name. You have to pay attention to special characters you cannot use. I'll name this as FleekFlex Test Lab Workstation 01. Next. Now it asks me how I would like to use this device. I'll choose this as setup work or school. Click next. And now for sign-in options, I'll go to sign-in options. Click on domain, join instead. Enter my name. I'll just use FleekFlex. Next. And password. Next. Confirm password. Click next. Security questions. You can choose a security question that best suits you, and you can remember that. Because this is just a test, I'll choose FleekFlex for everything. Second question, FleekFlex. And the third question, answer with FleekFlex. Now it will prompt me for Windows privacy settings. I'll go with defaults, click next, and accept. I got myself a Windows 11 installed. Please do subscribe to my channel, comment below, and hit like button if you like my videos. See you in the next video.